Yes, again, and as you can see, there's a box right there in the frame, and we are trying to get some stuff together. There's extra cookie dough from the pumpkin chocolate chips, and Anthony didn't listen. I said, don't use this container because I don't know what it is. I assume it's in storage and got packed on accident, but there is no lid to it right now. So I just got these to review for the company, which I will leave a link down below. And so I'm unboxing them finally. I've had them for days now. And I am going to end up having to use one of these, or Anthony went to one of the round ones. I don't remember now. The cookie dough somewhere, right? Anyway, so I'm going to wash these up and get them knocked out, and then we desperately need to get the fridge cleaned out and a little more organized. I'm using them, and I have to say that I do like them. I like the hinges on the lids. They are really easy to unclip, clip back down, and the glass is very thick. I do highly recommend them. You should try them out. They're not very expensive for the set I got. My back is starting to hurt, and I'm gonna have Anthony rinse, and then Connor's gonna end up helping by knocking out the last little bit, and I am going to move on to the fridge then.
You want to bitch. It's what? Bitch. She's not too small. Oh, I need to make things. Can I have some? Like that small square one? Yeah. Go for it. Maybe have some. Oh, yeah, it's that time of year. It is every year. For pumpkin? I don't care. Yeah. Pumpkin's kind of a 2-month time for most people. You have a list of this one yet? No, we're there. Okay. I don't know, they said it's very specific. Stop. No, you're ready for it. No. Oh, no. What do you mean no? Oh, she was talking about the lid, not you being the dick. I think she agrees with me. Sometimes. Oh, well. No, you said right now. You didn't say right now. What? Give him out.
You can see the fridge is well stocked, but I'm sure there's some stuff in there that needs to be thrown away, so we are going to make sure everything gets together and gets put up properly.
Already? How's it moldy? It's still sealed.
No, it's because you ate some of it.
Or trim it.
You did that again.
You tried.
I know, I'm trying to wash
Okay. Hold up. 10 seconds later, react.
I have more dishes. Lex, can you help? I'm not worried. She's not here, so.
I can't. Give me a second.
Has to get the soup.
What?
There's cream cheese shoved to the back, and then another fucking oven.
Yeah, that's because that box just popped up.
There's this needs to be washed.
What's this? I don't know what's up.
This is how you guys end up getting molded.
Yeah, because that was out there, like when Gravy really moved and everyone shoved it on.
We got ground beef. I need a spoon. Connor, I need a spoon, and I still need an extra helper.
Oh, he's on mommy's phone with that phone.
Oh my god! Lander!
Can't hear you at the moment. Like,
Okay, here. Start putting the stuff, or giving her the stuff so she wants it. Okay, what do we got? Here you go.
I'll take that. There should be. Let me run here, let me run this one.
Yeah, okay, here, I got the here, and I got the here.
You make?
I got another thing. She needed cookies.
Okay, here. I'll leave this at the table and kind of divide it if you want.
Oh, yeah, okay. Put about another tablespoon of coconut and shake it.
Do you mind if I set this in here? Hey?
No,
I'm here, smell.
I don't have time.
Ew. Please smell. I don't know. That's her usual smell. She's always smell.
Oh my god, they opened the lemon and then opened another lemon juice.
No, no one said you smell that. I said you.
Like, ew, no.
No, ew.
It's
He's like, no, I smell like a girl. That's not an issue. What? She doesn't. She smells like me.
Like what?
She smells like me.
Are you throwing the high school dog
How
out?
the hell would I even get it? That's not
Kyle's?
it. No, because this shirt is brand freaking new.
Oh, if it was used, then maybe. Or somebody tried to go in the store and put it back.
It's a brand new shirt.
Where'd you get it?
From the store. I bought it from the store yesterday.
Mom, come here.
From the weed. You're crazy.
You're from the hippie generation. Come here.
Oh my God, you smell like that.
No. Don't smell the shirt. Smell her.
Ow!
You don't smell anything.
Wait, smell my armpit. No,
Whoa!
There's a little bit of what?
yeah, smell my armpit.
No.
Smell my armpit. I got strings. Maybe my favorite. Smell.
No. You do smell that? Deal. Let her
Oh my
smell.
God, it's farting all the smells farting.
Oh, the deal. So
Oh,
yeah.
okay, we're going to do this thing. Oh, actually, let's go to the right. Oh, okay.
What's the accent? Oh, they're not good.
They're the good ones that have been sitting here forever.
What? Nobody tells me these things.
Yes, but you make fun of me for putting a C on them.
No.
I'll use this tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna see how last time. I didn't know about new ones. I was like thinking of
Those are the only ones that ever put a C on them.
maybe. I'm not doing it anymore. Last time you didn't know. You said you were doing it again.
Is there anything in the door I can throw away? What? Anthony?
Bye, Tanner.
Oh my God. They're gonna throw all my Hershey's chocolate. There's nothing in there.
Wait.
A little bit.
I thought that was.
Look at that.
I thought that was
Zach, come
going
back
away.
I can do it.
No, I thought that was going away. I thought you complained about this months ago.
I didn't like it. Why did I come here?
Because you were going to.
Oh, I just-
I said it was gonna be me and you because we both use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
We both used it.
Oh, I know what it is.
Me and Xander,
Oh,
doofus.
I don't think I tried throwing
We're
it.
going in the back and forth. Nobody touched it for months.
Because I only put it in my drinks, and I don't drink them that often.
Get better.
But I have to do it in this house. See, me. The pumpkins get thrown away, get trash all picked up. Anthony, go dump the cat box upstairs in that bag of trash that already has shit in it.
You know, I thought that was going away. I didn't know it was still in there.
No,
The Hershey bottle is covered in chocolate, and on top of it is empty. So I ended up throwing it away. That mayonnaise has been hidden in the back. Didn't know I even had that garlic. These are sun-roasted tomatoes. They smell just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and keep them
Oh, that doesn't exist.
and try to get some of this stuff pushed forward so I can know what's in there, because I feel like all I do is buy more stuff. Like, there's 2 current jellies open, the grape ones, plus the grape jelly I made.
No, so yesterday I think I found it like a bubble this big and had a flat top. I don't know what it is.
Oh, Lord. The what's your grape juice? Or the grape jelly? Or found 2? Partial. Yeah, right. Yeah, they're about half. Here's mine. Go buy those. Oh, never mind. They're too cold. Just clean that off. Do not put hot water on it so you'll activate the yeast.
I'm going to finish up the fridge, and then I need to get on to some other stuff. Thank you for joining me again, and please subscribe and leave a friendly comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love ya.